Hi guys, welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Gadget World. Today's video will be very interesting and awesome, because all these gadgets will look splendid. All these gadgets are easily available on Amazon and other online stores. Let's start the video without any delay with first most cool gadget of the video. Keychain Flashlight rechargeable power system for strong performance and cost savings over time. Easily select from 3 light modes, high, low, turbo, to match the flashlight's output to your need. Shine bright with edge-to-edge clarity across the circle of your mini flood beam. Recharge by plugging power into the integrated USB-C port. Attach the light to your car keys, house keys, or any other clip to keep your flashlight handy at all times. The whole light is as slim as finger and comfortably fits in your pocket. It has proper size, is easy to carry, and can also tie to your backpack. Applied widely for hiking, camping, or other home indoor use and outdoor activities. Also could be a nice gift for you to give, small but bright. Kerosene Lighter creative metal windproof. The antique lighter can be put in your pocket, handbag, drawer, or car compartment. The wind guard is adjustable. It is suitable for hiking, fishing, dog walking, emergency and general family use. In any weather, you can use your awesome lighter to light candles, campfires. The lighting mechanism is accurate and lights first click. It feels solid and fits very comfortably in your grip with nice size. This antique lighter is reusable forever. Matches. T is a unique lighter and cool lighter for men, dad, husband, brother, friends, family, and yourself. It is also a fancy lighter for birthday, parties, etc. This awesome lighter is suitable for people which go mostly outside. Lighter flashlight. This is amazing lighter. With flashlight, it is portable. You can carry this lighter flashlight with you. It is very helpful when you are outdoor or indoor. The most interesting thing is that this lighter flashlight is waterproof. 3-mode light in it: low, medium, and high. It has colossal transparent body. It has compass if you go on hiking or outside. It also tell you direction. It has Type-C charging capability, so you can use again and again. Its flashlight is so powerful it gives glamorous look and very helping gadget. It is lightweight. You can carry in your pocket or bag easily. It is cool technology with awesome appearance. It is great gift idea for your friends on their birthdays and Thanksgiving gift. 3-in-1 data USB cable for iPhone fast charger. Superior nylon and aluminum alloy make this multi-charger cable more durable, toughness, bending resistant, and pull resistant. Ensure a longer service life. This multi-charging cable has 3 different charging connectors. Basically can charge all the cell phones with creative 3-in-1 design. No need to carry any other charging cables when you are in a car, office, or traveling. Unique multi-charging cable with 3 charging tips in one, making the phone charger simple, lightweight, and portable. Carry this multi-charger cable anywhere. It charge phones at same time without damage any device. It has different colors. You can get your favorite color from online store. Demon Slayer keychain, and especially for Demon Slayer fans. For such cute Demon Slayer characters, you will also get online. Tell me in comment about your favorite character. If you want Hashira's character, it is also available. It can be a good gift for Demon Slayer fans. Mini smartphone. Let's guys talk about this amazing mini smartphone. This is for G-supported smartphone. Its size just size of your palm and fit easily in hand. It is waterproof, dust-proof, and also shock-proof. It is very powerful portable smartphone for any outdoor activity. This phone can connect it with any network. You can also click picture in this smartphone. You can also take your important calls and SMS in this phone. It has to 000 mAh battery. It is very stunning phone for your outdoor usage. You can also see HD videos and play latest games. It has personal 64 GB large storage to store your data. It is waterproof, so you enjoy swimming and diving. This smartphone, it is perfect in look and style according to modern day life. It can be a favorite gift for your family. You can also give this smartphone as a gift on any special event like wedding, birthday gift, etc. Playing card jet lighter. Powerful jet flame windproof lighter is suitable for kitchen, camping, beach barbecue, park, etc. The lighter is made of high quality alloy with unique playing card appearance, suitable as Father's Day, Mother's Day, and birthday. Delicate and compact design makes it more convenient for you to carry anywhere. Its look is brilliant and awesome design, which make it unique. Its flame is higher than that of a normal lighter, which remain long and powerful. You can customize it as per your need. Parrot mini drone. Let's move to another awesome gadget. which is also a jumping drone, jumps up to 2.5 feet high and always falls back on its wheels. The free flight jumping app offers in control from your smartphone or tablet through Wi-Fi. Swipe for perfect turns and hit buttons for acrobatics like spins or jumps, with a wide-angle camera that streams live views on the piloting screen. Road plan mode to program a sequence of tricks and sounds to express mood. It has a battery, rechargeable and removable. It is lightweight so you can carry this drone easily with you. It captures the awesome view and shots for you. It is also a perfect gift for your friends on their birthdays. New multifunctional folding knife. This is amazing mini knife with multiple functions. It's so small like your finger it is portable, and easily fit into your pocket. It has a keychain. You can attach this multifunctional knife with car keys, fuse keys or your drawer keys. It has also mini screw attached by, which you can open and close the screws. A small knife, which use open boxes. This is very helpful when you outside from house during hiking or fishing. Mini laptop. It is awesome gadget for students. This office laptop with front camera adopts metal body, full-size keyboard ensures more accurate control. This mini laptop adopts lightweight, ensures easy portability, ideal for study, work and gaming. This portable laptop also features stylish design, and it supports convenient for drawing, note-taking, and more. This 8-inch laptop support dual band, designed with USB 3.0 interface, HD multimedia interface, mini interface, earphone and mic port, etc. This laptop is also touchpad and 180-degree movable. It gives original handwriting and is compatible with Surface Pen. New car air outlet. This gadget is mini shape, which is used spread fragrance in car interior at rotating due to car AC fan. It spread fragrance all around and its fragrance is long-lasting in car. It is made of superior quality material. It is available in for different colors and for different fragrances, which always suits you. It is easy to install in all kind of cars. It is mini and compact in size, which don't block the air outlets. It can easily assemble and deassemble. 12-in-1 science experiment solar robot toy. 12 different building robots, which can move on land or water for your child to build. Starting from entry level for younger child to advanced level for older child to challenge their mental skills. This is a great way for your child to get started in robotics toy. Powered by the sun, no batteries needed. The robot kit includes a solar power panel that collects solar heat energy into an electric energy drive motor, which drives the gears to make the machine run smoothly. Offers your child practical experiences of working with green technology. Let them learn about renewable energy sources and have fun doing it with. This science toys will teach children how to engineer a robot that uses solar power, while help to develop manual dexterity, problem-solving skills, improve logical thinking, self-confidence, and promotes the importance of teamwork. It is also a perfect toy to encourage learning of mechanics and engineering in young children. Enhance your children's science, technology, engineering, and math skills. Improve your child's imagination and creativity by challenging them to build their own robots. All pieces are sturdy and durable, which are made of premium quality, harmless and non-toxic plastic. Great gift for birthday, Children's Day, summer camp activities, and back to school. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like the video and also share this video to your friends. Tell me comment which invention do you like the most. Let us meet with another awesome gadgets. Take care. Bye.